Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, why is everybody selling forex robots? Why does it seem like everybody is just selling a forex robot? Somebody asked me that question on a previous video. Why is everybody now suddenly selling forex robots? Well, let's talk about it in this video. By the way, if you disagree or agree, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I would like to hear what you think on this subject. Why do you think everybody is suddenly selling robots? Everybody just has a robot and selling a robot. If you are also looking for good reliable forex brokers, see the links in the description box below. So it's actually funny that I have to do this video and answer this question as somebody who is teaching people how to make a forex robots for free without doing any coding. No coding required. You just need to have a good strategy, and you can watch the videos on this channel, and hopefully you can learn how to turn your strategy into a forex robot. And I even did a video on how to sell your robot. So yeah, it's just funny that I have to answer this question again. Why is everyone suddenly just selling forex robots? This is my honest opinion, and by the way, I am not against people selling forex robots, selling signals, selling courses, selling anything. It's up to people. It's up to people to buy it. It's up to people to sell it. It's a democratic world. But I'll just give my 2 cents on the subject. So lately we have come across forex robots. Everybody's just selling forex robots. The challenge though is that some of these robots actually don't work, and many people are actually still selling them, and many people are actually buying them. And I don't know how it works, because you find one person who is making a robot today they tell you to buy this robot. Next week they are telling you to buy a different robot altogether. They've abandoned the robot that they were selling you, and they are selling you a different robot altogether. So what you get from that is that most of the robots that people are selling online are just, I do not say garbage, but they are just rubbish. Imagine, let's think about this for 2 seconds. If you found something that is able to make you lots and lots of money, be honest, are you going to be sharing it with the rest of the world? Let's be honest. You really have found something that can make lots and lots of money. Are you going to be sharing it with the world, even for whatever amount? Most people are going to keep it a secret. If my understanding of human nature is correct, many people are going to try and make sure you don't ever hear of that thing, so that it's only that person who is making money. That's why the first world is the richest countries, and the third world are the poorest countries, because the first world, they keep their technological secrets. They don't share all of them with the third world. That's why we have a third world and we have the first world. So why would somebody, if a robot is truly making them millions, why would they sell it? It's human nature not to show other people how you are making money. How you can show them how the money that you're making, but the ingredients, the stuff of how you are doing it, most people would keep it quiet. So the issue that you want to understand is that most robots that people are buying out there and selling out there, they don't work. At least they don't work in the long run. They might work for 2 days, a week, a month, a year, but in the long run, they are never going to work. That's why you always find people, same person is churning out different robots. This week they have got a different robot, next week they have got another one. Then let's look at a funny math. For example, selling robots is actually more profitable than actual trading. Selling a robot is actually more profitable than actual trading. For example, let's say you are a good trader with a very good trading strategy, and you're like the trader. Most of the time, I'm not saying all of the time, most of the time you are looking at a 30%, 50% profit per month on your trading account. Ignore the guys that do the account flips and stuff. That stuff is very risky, and those guys, they never really show you how many accounts they blew before they actually flipped this one that they are actually showing you. So let's just say you are a good trader who follows the rules, who does everything by the book. You are looking at maybe 30%, 50%. You'll be a very good trader to grow your account by 30%, 50% every month. If you are starting with an account with $1,000, it means at the end of every month you are having $300 on top of that account. So if you are starting with an account with $1,000, you are ending the month with $1,300 at the end of the month. But however, if you're selling a robot, let's say for $300 a piece, you just need to convince 10 people and you would have $3,000. So in using your own money and your own skill to trade, you actually make less money than actually selling a robot. That's why you find most people are selling forex robots, because there is less risk and the profit margin is actually higher than doing your own actual trading. If I'm going to be selling a robot, I'm just going to come up with a robot, and I need to work on my marketing and convince 100 people maybe to buy my robot at $100, $30, and I make a lot more money than doing actual trading, which actually also involves a lot of risk and a lot of losses. So that's how why people are actually selling robots left, right, and center. I don't know if you would say, if there is somebody who's going to say they are selling a robot out of the goodness of their own heart. I don't know. I don't sell robots, by the way. I just show you how to turn your strategies into forex robots. I never sell robots. I actually was giving out all these robots for free. We create a robot, I send it out for free, because I don't know, if I've something that is really good, I don't think I would be sharing it with anybody else. So that's partly why everybody is suddenly just selling forex robots. Are there any good forex robots out there? Remember, I just said most of the robots that are being sold online are just rubbish. They're just there to make their creators a lot of money. Of course, there are going to be some good forex robots out there, but it's going to be a huge challenge finding them, and most of them are probably going to be proprietary. They are only used by the hedge funds that created them, the banks that are using them, or the guys that can really afford to come up with these systems. The rest of us, we're just going to have to create our own robots and strategies, and some of us are going to have to sell them to other people and make lots and lots and lots of money doing that. Yeah, so I think that's my honest opinion about why people are selling forex robots out there. Feel free to disagree. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.